everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jada. If it's your first time checking me out, thank you so much for clicking this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review. I feel like I haven't done one of these in forever. I've been rocking my natural hair. I got it pressed a couple days ago. Getting your hair pressed in Texas in the summer is really not the move. Like, unless you have some type of relaxer or perm or something, you're basically gonna have an afro in like 3 days. So I don't know how good this is gonna look on camera, but it is a little bit sweated out, but oh well. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the natural wave from the company ALIPEARL. ALIPEARL has a AliExpress website. They also have an Amazon website, and then I believe they have their own website too, but I'm gonna link all of that in the description box. The lengths that I got are 224s, 222s, and a 20-inch closure. This is actually going to be my first time ordering from AliExpress. I've heard a lot of bad about AliExpress. I've heard some good. In all honesty, I feel like most of these vendors in America are just ordering hair from Chinese vendors, or they're ordering cheap hair basically and just changing the brand and racking the prices up, changing the origin. I just figure, why not try and find some hair for cheap that's also good quality? So yeah, hopefully I don't have anything bad to say about AliExpress, but we're gonna see. I ordered this hair on July 13th and it got here on the 18th, so that's really not bad. It came in this DHL bag. Y'all already know how it goes when you order from AliExpress. I already took the bundles out and co-washed them, but they all came in a plastic bag like this, just a regular plastic bag, nothing fancy. I got the Peruvian hair, so it just says Peruvian hair. Then it says 22 inches. They also sent me this hair tie as a little gift. So this is the hair, freshly co-washed. Now, the first thing that I'm going to say about this hair, y'all hear some background noise, that's just my dog doing whatever she's doing. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair. It is really pretty. Like, it has like a wave to it, and then when you get to the ends, it has like a little curl to it. It's really cute. This hair, when I co-washed it, y'all, I got a lot of shedding. That really wasn't a good sign, but because it's so pretty, I'm really not tripping on it. Hopefully that was just like getting the initial shedding out. It has this ALIPEARL tag on it. It has 2 tags, and the wefts are really neat. No complaints about the wefts. Now, before I co-washed it, the ends did look a little, they looked a little dry. They were struggling a little bit, but now they actually look fine. Like, they look normal. So I'm gonna run my fingers through it to show you guys like how big the hair actually gets, because I'm kind of curious too. I want to see. Okay, so I got like 2 strands of shedding, which isn't like that terrible, but when I co-washed it, y'all, it was a lot. It was a lot. This is how big it got from running my fingers through it just now. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. I know I don't want it to be super small, and I am gonna be wearing this for my birthday, so I'm probably not gonna have another review up on it until like the end of August. But I just wanted to show you guys straight out of the packaging what we're working with. It has a really pretty shine to it. Like, it's not too shiny, but it doesn't look dull at all. So I really like it. I really like how it looks so far. The only con that I have is the shedding. And then at first, when I first took it out and I smelled it, I was like, why is everybody complaining about the smell? But then after I co-washed it, it did get a little smell to it. I don't know, y'all, but to me, like, okay, like, I feel like with shedding, the smell, stuff like that, I can work with. Now, when hair starts matting up on me where I can't even comb through it, that's where I start having a problem. So for now, I still do feel like this hair is going to treat me well. Like, it's going to be cute when I get it installed. This is all 4 bundles. I really don't feel like you even need 4 bundles with this hair. You can definitely get away with 3, depending on the style that you want to wear it. If you want to do like a wet look, I would probably say 4, just because you don't want to be walking around with your hair looking all thin. If you plan on like combing it out and wearing it big, 3 will definitely be good enough. So this is the closure. It definitely needs some work. Needs some plucking. Not, it needs to be bleached, but it's cool. It was also shedding when I washed it, so I'm a little nervous. I don't want to have alopecia by the time that I actually wear the hair. So those are just my initial thoughts on the hair. I hope you guys got enough information. If I left anything out, make sure you comment it. Also, go ahead and like and subscribe. Follow me at Beauty is Grace on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video.